Happy Saturday, everyone. This is your boy BigZ here from Learn Bengali, and welcome to another Bengali conjugation lesson, Bengali verb conjugation lesson. Okay, just to make myself clear here, in this lesson, I'm going to talk about the verb eat, to eat, in Bengali, of course, not in English. uh, and yeah, let's get started without further ado. Alright, so here we go. To eat is kawa in Bengali. Kawa. See that? Kawa. It's not kawa, it's kawa. Alright. To eat, kawa. And I eat is amikai. Amikai. It's K-H-A-I, kai, not kai. Okay? Kai. The ka is working here. Okay? We have incorporated the ka here. Amikai. I eat. Amikai. You eat is tumikau. Right? Just remember one thing. They're all in present tense. Just simple present tense. All these verbs here. Yeah, we're not using any present continuous, past tense, or past continuous, or anything like that. It's simple present tense from English to Bengali, basically. So yeah, I eat amikai, you eat tumikau. Once again, it's cow, not cow. Okay, cow sounds like a cow. Cow is guru in Bengali. Just to let you know. Yeah, you eat is apni khan. Oh, where is my period? Okay, period should get closer to the end here. Yeah, you eat apni khan, and that's formal. I think you guys should know that by now, because this you eat is informal. Tumikau, right? And yeah, you eat apni khan, formal one. He or she eats she kai. That's informal. He or she, doesn't matter what it is, she, right? You guys remember that from my previous lessons? I'm pretty sure you do. So there you go, shekai. And then we got here she is, that's the formal version. Tini khan. Tini, so it's T-I-N-I, but it's actually the to here in Bengali. It's not the to, it's to. So it's tini as a result. Tini khan. So remember one thing, khan is a pretty common last name for a lot of people. In Bangladesh, India, and Pakistan, that region, it's a common Muslim name. Yeah. So, and yeah, remember that as well, because when you're using he or she eats and it's formal, it's tini khan. So that's that. And after that we got we eat, amra kai, right? You got everything here. Yeah, amra kai, yeah, that's right. And then you got you eat, so that's a plural version, a plural of you. This one here, you eat is tumra khao, not cow, tumra khao. Okay. And after that you got you eat, which is apnara khan. That's formal version of this formal plural version of that over there. Yeah, apnara khan. They eat is tarakai. I got everything right here. Yeah, tarakai, kai. They eat tarakai. They eat tara khan, right? Tara. So that's the chandrabindu on top of ta here. Tara. So you gotta use your nasal cavity there. So yeah, that's that. They eat tara khan. So once again, I eat amikai, you eat tumikau. Formal version of that will be apni khan. He or she eats is shekai. Formal version of that will be tini khan, right? We eat is amrakai. You eat is tumra khao. You eat, formal and plural, is apnara khan, right? Apnara khan. They eat tarakai, and formal version of that would be tara khan. So notice that I and we, you're using the same conjugation pattern here, kai and kai, right? And then you got you eat tumikau, right? And what else is it? You eat, plural, same pattern here, cow, right? See, cow. You eat apni khan, right? And then that's the formal version. And anytime this formal you is used on a bunch of people, we have this one, right? Apnara khan, right? That's the formal you, and it's the same pattern here. The same conjugation pattern has been used, right? You eat apni khan, you eat apnara khan. See here, apni khan and apnara khan, right? And after that, what we have, he or she eats shekai. and the plural version is tara khai right there, and same conjugation pattern is being used, khai, khai, right? And when you have a formal version of he eats, that it becomes tini khan, and the plural version of that is tara khan. So once again, the same pattern is being used here for the conjugation purposes. You see that, khan. So yeah, I hope this makes sense to you guys. Any question, comment, let me know. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching my videos, and do not forget to subscribe. BigZ out.